welcome to IP Study Video Lectures. Today we will discuss the 17th chapter of Grade 8 English Grammar and our topic is conjunctions. Conjunctions are those words that help us connect ideas. Just think of them as a grammar glue which help us connect two sentences, just like connectors. Conjunction is a word that joins words, sentences and phrases together. Let us understand what are we going to study in this chapter. Before the end of this lesson, you will be able to understand conjunctions and its kinds, apply conjunctions to combine sentences and clauses, explain the role of conjunctions in joining sentences and clauses. Let us understand this example. Congratulations, you not only scored a goal but also won the match. Thank you so much for the kind words. Now, in this sentence, we have used a conjunction not only but also. This is a conjunction because we have joined two ideas such as you scored a goal, you won the match. These are two sentences. So two main ideas. So we have joined them by using conjunctions not only but also. This is called a conjunction and this is the role of a conjunction in a sentence. Let's look at the following sentences. The restaurant was crowded, but the food was delicious. He was tired, so he decided to take a nap. He got ready and left for office. She couldn't attend the party because she was feeling unwell. This is also called a compound sentence where we join two simple sentences using the connectors or conjunctions like but, so, and because. All the highlighted words above perform one function explicitly, and that is joining two sentences. These words are called conjunctions, which are used to connect words, phrases, clauses, and sentences. Like here, they are connecting the two clauses. Let us now discuss the different kinds of conjunctions in detail. The most commonly used conjunctions are and, but, or. Some other conjunctions are words like so, for, neither nor, still and so. They are used to join two words, two phrases, right? Such as Ria likes to play football and basketball. Ria likes to play basketball and football. So we have joined two words, basketball and football, using a conjunction. Two phrases such as Shreya's cheerful nature and attractive personality made her stand out in the class. So phrases such as cheerful nature, attractive personality. So we have joined them using the conjunction and. So these kinds of conjunctions like and, but, or, so, for, neither, nor, still, so, they help us to join two words and two phrases. Use of and conjunction. We use and to join similar statements or facts, right? We can also alternatively use also, to, as well as not only but also to join these type of statements because they as conjunctions they follow or they serve the same purpose. Let us read the following sentences. She is an ambitious and a cheerful girl. Now we are talking about both the words or both the phrases. They have the same meaning. That means they are like synonyms of each other. She is ambitious as well as cheerful. Alternatively, you can also use conjunction as well as. Not only but also. She is not only ambitious but also cheerful. She packed her bag and left for school. right? Alternatively, you can use she not only packed her bag but also left for school. She packed her bag as well as left for school. She ate banana and a sandwich for brunch. So alternatively, you can use she ate banana and a sandwich too for brunch. So and to, they can be used together. So and is used to join when two words or phrases are similar in meaning. Use of but. The conjunction but is used to show contrast. We use but to show a contrast between two statements or facts. Sometimes we use but to express opposition as well. So opposition as well. He did what he could do, but he could not complete the assignment on time. So he did what he could do, but the assignment was not completed, right? He could not complete the assignment. So this shows the contrast between the two statements. So when you show the contrast between the two words or two statements or two facts, then we use the conjunction but. Use of or otherwise. Or is used to express a choice between two options. Like she can wear the blue shirt or the white one. So a choice, when you have a choice. And is used when you join the two statements, in fact similar in nature. But or is used when you have a choice between the two. Otherwise is used to show the consequences or result if you do not follow an order or suggestion. That means if you do not follow one statement, that means one statement is not being followed or one suggestion, advice is not being followed. What is the result of that? Then we use otherwise. I'd better stamp it. Otherwise, the document won't be completed. So, the document won't be completed. This is completed. So, the document won't be completed. This is the result of not stamping the paper, right? Or in a better way. So, this is the result. So, when we express a statement or a fact and shows the result of that statement or fact, then we use the conjunction otherwise. Joining sentences using conjunctions. We can use conjunctions like therefore, neither, nevertheless, neither nor, nevertheless, alternatively, either or, whereas, and still to join two sentences, two different sentences. That means they are two simple sentences. They're meaningful, they're independent on their own, and we join them. So we use these conjunctions. She was sick. She did not attend the meeting. So this is the reason. Why did she not attend the meeting? She was sick, therefore she didn't attend the meeting. Therefore, we use the conjunction therefore. Reena makes friends in no time. Her brother is shy. Now we are comparing between the two. Reena and her brother, we are comparing their nature. She makes friends, that means she is very friendly, but her brother is shy, right? So how do we join? We can use the conjunction whereas. Reena makes friends in no time, whereas her brother is shy, right? So just as we use a conjunction but, we can use whereas to show the contrast. Whereas is used to join two sentences. He can play cricket with his friends. He can play chess with me. Now, here we have a choice. So we can use the conjunction either or. Either or is a conjunction. You use it together in a sentence, but in a different position. There should be a gap there between their positions. He can either, then you state the one fact. He can either play cricket with his friends, or after or you state another fact, or he can play chess with me. So he can play, we do not need to repeat he can again, a verb and a pronoun again. So we make a sentence. He can either play cricket with his friends or play chess with me. He has seen the movie several times earlier. He enjoys watching it again and again. Now we're stating the fact that although he's watched the movie so many times, still he enjoys it, right? So still can be used here. or he has seen the movie several times earlier. He enjoys watching it again and again. The parents did not attend the birthday party. The children did not attend the birthday party. Now we are stating the similar facts, and both of those statements are negative. They are in a negative sense. So when we join two sentences where both the statements are in a negative sense, we use the conjunction neither nor. Similarly, as we use either or together in a sentence but at different positions, similarly we place neither nor together in a sentence but at different positions. Neither the parents nor the children attended the birthday party. Use of although. We use though, although, even though, even if to suggest contrast. So although is always used to suggest the contrast, whereas when we used the conjunction still, we did not use any contrast, right? So he watched movie many times earlier, he enjoys it, watching it again and again. So then we only use the one conjunction which is still. Although, though, even if, they suggest contrast. He did not win the gold medal, although he jumped very high. They went for a stroll, though the weather was not fine. The earth was scorching, even though it was cloudy. The baby will not stop crying, even if you hold it in your arms. So these statements are suggesting contrast between the two clauses, and hence we join them using although, though, even if. Use of that, if or whether. She told him that she hated bitter gourd, right? She asked him if he liked bitter gourd. Alternatively, you can use whether as well. She asked him whether he liked bitter gourd. So we use these to join the sentences when you want to add more information. She told him. What did she tell him? She told him that she hated bitter gourd. She asked him whether he liked it, whether he liked bitter gourd. She asked him if he liked bitter gourd. So use of that, if and whether, they're used when you are asking or adding more information to the sentence. Whenever you use told, we try to use that there. And whenever we use asked as a verb, we add if or whether. The sentences to show if, whether, that also functions as conjunctions as they connect words and phrases. Use of so or because. We use because to suggest the reason for something. You're already aware of this. So is used to suggest the result of something. So what is the difference between because and so? Because is used to suggest the reason for something, whereas so is used to suggest the result of something. Conjunctions like therefore, consequently, or as a result also imply in place of so, because they imply the result of something. There was a heavy downpour, so he wore a raincoat. Now we are suggesting a result of something. The function was cancelled. We want to know the reason here. Now when we add the reason, we use the conjunction because. The function was cancelled because the singers refused to come. The conjunction because indicates why something happened. Words like as, since, for can also be used to suggest a reason. I cannot go to school because there is water everywhere. The board members were not willing to attend the meeting because it was a Sunday. So alternatively, you can also use as, since, and for in the sentence. Use of so that. So that is used to suggest the purpose. Conjunction so that, in order that, lest suggest the purpose of performing an action. Whenever we use lest, we generally use should with it. And whenever we use so that is also used together. Wear a raincoat lest you should get drenched in water. So whenever you use lest, please use should along with it. Light a candle lest you should trip and fall in the dark. So lest is used to show the purpose. He did not wait for a bus but took the metro so that he could reach the airport on time. The child carried some pocket money. Why? In order that he could buy snacks at the school canteen. So whenever you're not showing the reason but showing the purpose of doing some action, wearing a raincoat, lighting a candle, not waiting for a bus and taking the metro, carrying a pocket money, these all has a reason. What is the purpose of doing all of these? For that we use conjunctions like lest, in order that, so that. Whenever we use lest conjunction, we should also use should in the sentence. Let us understand so that indicates the purpose. He borrowed the compass so that he could draw the triangle. Because indicates the reason. So that's a difference between these two conjunctions, because it is stating the purpose and because states the reason. So that states the purpose, because states the reason of doing something. He borrowed the compass. What is the purpose of the compass? So here you will have like an object. But when you use because, you are stating a fact. He could not draw the triangle, and this is a fact. What is the reason for not drawing the triangle? Because he had lost his compass. So he borrowed the compass. Object is here. And here the object is later. Here the reason he could draw the triangle. That is the purpose of borrowing the compass. Here we have the reason he could not draw. We have a statement or a fact. So we use because in such cases and so that to indicate the purpose. Use of if. Whenever there is a condition, whenever a sentence suggests a condition, we use if. We use the conjunction if to suggest a condition. Words like provided or only if can also be used to suggest a condition. Alternatively, if there is a power cut, everything would shut down, right? So there is a condition. You can take Kunal along provided you have an extra ticket. So this is again a condition of the fact. If there is a power cut, everything would shut down. You can take Kunal along provided you have an extra ticket. This is also based on assumption. The facts or statements based on assumptions. Use of when, where, as. The glass broke when I hit it with my hand. It indicates the time. The car was not parked where I had left it. It indicates the place. As soon as the alarm went off, the children assembled in the hall. It also indicates the time. She behaved as if she cared about his health. Now this is manner. You can also say these are kind of adverb clauses, but not really, because these are compound sentences. They're joining two meaningful sentences together. So the glass broke when I hit it with my hand. The car was parked where I had parked it. As soon as the alarm went off, everyone assembled. So conjunctions such as while, when, till, as soon as, since, before, or whenever, they suggest time. Conjunctions such as where or wherever suggest place. Conjunctions such as or as if, they suggest the manner. So this is all about conjunctions. Let us do a quick recap before we end this lesson. Conjunctions are words used to connect sentences, words, phrases, and clauses. Most commonly used conjunctions are and, but, or. We use conjunctions like therefore, neither nor, either or, and whereas to join sentences. We use because to suggest reason for something. We use the conjunction if to suggest a condition. This was all about it. Thank you so much for staying with us and stay tuned for our next video lecture. Till then, keep revising.